My name's Dave. I'm here from Lynchburg, Virginia. I've been coming here for treatments for about a year and a half. I'm here for macular degeneration, and they've definitely helped. A concern that I had coming here was being able to hold on to my ability to be able to drive. And also my son was born a year and a half ago, and I think because of the help that I know because of the help that I've gotten here with Dr. Rosenfarb, I can read that little guy a book at bedtime, and I'm really excited about that. In my career, I teach kayaking, swiftwater rescue, wilderness first aid, and I'm also a real estate investor. So being able to see well, to do all those things is really important. I would say that kind of the time and money that it takes to come here, it's been well worth it for me. So I would encourage anybody that's thinking about it to do this. So thanks a lot.